Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Toyota Fortuner. H, which is the basic driving mode for the Fortuner. What this means is all four wheels get power all the time without the central diff being locked. This is for everyday driving on normal roads. Whatever the condition is, this is what you drive on every single day. HL, which is high locked central differential, is to be used in off-road condition only. In some cars, it's referred to as 4H. It's for normal off-road driving. What this means is all four wheels are engaged, and this locks the power 50-50 between the front and the rear tires. And this is to be used in normal driving in sand, snow, mud, or even gravel roads. Since the power is evenly split between the front and rear tires, it keeps the car very stable. This also means that the center differential is locked in the car. That makes sure that the power is distributed evenly between the front and the rear. For low, or what they call low range, it's maximum torque for extreme conditions. Think of it as beast mode for your car. It reduces the speed of your car like a slow tractor, but it gives you maximum torque and power. It's perfect for rock crawling, soft sand driving, deep mud, steep climbs, or recovering from very tricky situations. Differential lock. Use when stuck. When driving off-road, sometimes you might notice that one wheel is spinning, the other is not when the car is stuck. And this is because power is going to the wheel that has no traction on it and it doesn't allow the car to move. So when that happens, lock the diff lock, and this forces both wheels to spin together at the same time, allowing you to recover. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.